Okay, you have the app, but it's only on your laptop. How can we deploy it? I'm going to show you today how to deploy this app that you're in localhost working with. I'm going to show you how to deploy it on Vercel. So follow along. First, as you can see, I have this app. It's a calculator app, and I just built this for the demo. What you're going to do is you're going to go to GitHub and you're going to create a new repository. Name it anything you want. I chose SassCalc as that represents my project better. For the visibility, you can either choose private or public. The difference in public is everyone can see it, and in private, only you can see it. Since I only want this to be seen by me, I'm going to make it private. Next, you're going to click Create Repository. Once the repository is created, what you're going to do is copy these 3 lines at the bottom. You're going to come to your project again. You're going to come into the Git over here, the Source Control tab. If you have any changes, just make sure to comment them. And once it's commented, I'm going to open my terminal and I'm going to paste these lines that we copied earlier. As you can see, I have all this code in GitHub now. It's not just on my local computer, it's also on the cloud. Then what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Vercel. And as you can see, my SassCalc project is already over here automatically. We're going to click import and then deploy it. This is going to give us a free domain. So you can share that domain with anyone. You can even edit the domain later on and sort of customize it. You can use this link and this domain to share it with anyone. You can now open this app using the URL, the domain given, and share it with anyone. So it's not just on your local computer anymore. You can share it with anyone. You're not going to be sharing localhost on your resume anymore. And with that, you have a fully functioning and deployed app working. If you want to see more tutorials like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.